Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video in laptop or PC. So first of all, we're going to go to YouTube and sign in. And once you're on YouTube, go over to the corner, right hand side corner, and click there on your profile. Once you click on your profile, go to YouTube Studio. Once you're here, channel dashboard. At the left hand side where it says content, click here. Now choose any which video you want to download. So first of all, you want to hover about this text over here on the video and click on these three dots here, options, and go all the way down. This one here where it says download, click here on the download, and the video will be downloaded to your laptop or PC. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.